Is your business still running on a mix of paperwork, spreadsheets, and endless phone calls? Are you tired of scribbling down job details on a notepad, only to lose it in the bottom of your van? What if there was a way to manage your entire field service business, from the first customer call to the final invoice, all from the palm of your hand? That's the promise of a field service management solution, and today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular options on the market, ServiceM8. What is ServiceM8 used for? In short, it's a smart job management software designed to help trade contractors and service businesses run their operations more efficiently. But to really understand what it's all about, we need to break down the key features and benefits that make it a game changer for so many businesses. At its core, ServiceM8 is all about a single, seamless workflow. Let's imagine a typical day for a plumber. The phone rings. A customer has a leaky pipe. With a traditional setup, you'd grab a pen and paper, jot down the address and a vague description, and try to remember to call them back with a quote. With ServiceM8, the process is completely different. The moment the call comes in, ServiceM8's phone feature can automatically bring up the client's details, or create a new job card if they're a new customer. You enter the job details directly into the app, and that information is instantly available to everyone on your team. No more lost notes or miscommunicated addresses. Once the job is created, the next step is scheduling. This is where ServiceM8's real-time scheduling and dispatching tools come into play. On a live dispatch map, you can see exactly where all of your field staff are located. This isn't just a gimmick. It's a powerful tool for efficiency. You can see who's closest to the new job and assign it to them with a simple drag and drop. The staff member is instantly notified on their phone, and they have all the job details, client history, and integrated navigation to get there in a flash. This live visibility eliminates the need for constant check-in calls and allows you to make smarter, faster decisions about who to send where. Now, your technician is on-site. This is where ServiceM8 continues to shine. They have the full job card on their device, complete with client notes, previous job history, and any attachments you've added. They can take before and after photos, which are automatically saved to the job record. This is fantastic for record keeping, client communication, and for protecting your business in case of a dispute. The technician can also fill out electronic forms, such as safety checklists or compliance certificates, directly on their phone or tablet. This digital process eliminates all that paper admin, saving time and ensuring everything is properly documented. After the work is done, it's time to get paid. ServiceM8 makes this process incredibly simple and fast. The technician can generate a professional, branded invoice right there on-site. They can add all the materials and labor used, and with a tap, send it to the client via email or text. The client can then pay on the spot with a mobile card reader, or a payment link can be included in the invoice for them to pay online. This dramatically reduces the time it takes to get paid and improves your business's cash flow. And here's one of the best parts. ServiceM8 integrates seamlessly with accounting software like Xero, MYOB, and QuickBooks. This means all the invoice and payment data is automatically synced, so you don't have to waste hours on data entry. But ServiceM8 isn't just about managing the day-to-day. It's also about winning more business and building better customer relationships. The platform includes tools for creating and sending professional quotes, which clients can accept online with a digital signature. You can even create proposals with multiple options, giving the customer more choice and a better experience. Automatic follow-up emails and texts can be set up to chase up outstanding quotes or invoices, so you're not spending your time on tedious administrative tasks. And what about your customers? ServiceM8 has features to keep them in the loop every step of the way. You can send automated on-the-way texts with an ETA, and even a link for the client to track your technician's progress on a map. This level of communication is a massive boost to customer service and professionalism. After the job is complete, you can send automated follow-ups to request feedback or a Google review, helping you build a great online reputation without lifting a finger. For those running a business with recurring work, like maintenance contracts, ServiceM8's recurring jobs feature is a lifesaver. You can create a job once and set it to automatically recreate and schedule itself at set intervals. This ensures you never miss a routine service and keeps your calendar full without constant manual scheduling. ServiceM8 is also highly customizable and extensible. It offers a wide range of add-ons for things like online bookings, asset management, and powerful reporting. This means you can tailor the software to fit the specific needs of your business, whether you're an electrician, a cleaner, a plumber, or in any other field service trade. What ServiceM8 ultimately does is replace the fragmented, manual, and time-consuming administrative tasks that plague so many small businesses with a single, intelligent, and automated system. It allows you to get more jobs done, get paid faster, and provide an incredible customer experience, all while cutting down on paperwork and freeing you up to focus on the skilled work you're paid to do. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.